In transport and communication, today we are going to discuss about the water transport. Water transport has two categories. One is inland waterways, which takes place over the rivers and canals, and oceanic routes. Oceanic routes, which include important sea routes, which offer a smooth highway traversable in all directions without maintenance cost. The transformation into routeway by sea-going vessels is one of the important development in human adaptation to the physical environment. As compared to land, air, oceanic transport is cheaper, as well as this is one of the best mode of transportation for carrying heavy luggage, heavy goods and commodities over a long distance from one part of the continent to another part of continent. Goods and commodities in high amount can be easily transported with this mode of transport, and world most of the trade are taking place through the oceanic routes. Importantly, oceanic routes which are used for shipping purposes are North Atlantic Sea Route, Mediterranean Oceanic Route Sea Route, Cape of the Good Hope Route, North Pacific Sea Route, South Pacific Sea Route. The most important sea route is North Atlantic Sea Route, which connect the North American countries with West European countries. This link northeastern USA, the part of Canada and USA, with northwest European country, which are the most industrialized and developed part of the world. This USA and Canada, North American part as well as West European part is the most industrialized developed region of the world, and the foreign trade over this route is greater than rest of the world. The one-fourth of the world foreign trade moves on this route. Reason for this, these two parts are one of the busiest route of the world. That is why this route is called, this North Atlantic route is called Big Trunk Route. Both the coast have highly advanced ports. Both the coast like London in Great Britain, Lisbon, Hamburg, Stockholm, Oslo, St. Petersburg are the important port over the Atlantic coast, and New York, Washington, St. John in Canada, Houston, Panama, Caracas over the Atlantic coast are very developed ports of the world. Second route is the Mediterranean Indian Oceanic route, and this Suez Canal have helped in the development of this route. This route passes through the heart of old world and serve most countries and people than any other route. Port Said here, Port Aden, Mumbai Port, Colombo in Sri Lanka, Singapore here are very important seaport on this route. And the construction of Suez Canal here has greatly reduced the distance and time as compared to earlier, because before the development of Suez Canal, before the construction of this canal, this route had another option. These ships used to come through Cape of the Good Hope route after crossing across the after a complete circle from African continent. That was comparatively very large route, large and long route. This trade route connects the highly developed industrialized region of the Western Europe with West Africa, Southeast Asia, and the commercial, agriculture and livestock economies of Australia and New Zealand. Before the construction of Suez Canal, this was the route connecting Liverpool and Colombo. Liverpool is here and Colombo is here. At that time, This route was through Cape of the Good Hope route 6,400 km longer than the Suez Canal route. Means this canal has reduced the distance between South Asian countries and West European countries. The volume of trade and traffic between both the East and West Africa and East Africa, is on the increase due to the development of rich natural resources such as gold, diamond, copper in the South Africa, Katanga, Mozambique belt of copper, tin is available, groundnut, palm oil, coffee and fruits are also produced by the African and Asian nations. Second, next route, this is Cape of the Good Hope route. This is through Cape Town, which is important seaport over here. This route is another important one across the Atlantic Ocean, right, which connect the European countries, West African countries with Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay in South America. This traffic is far less on the traffic is far less on this route because limited development and population in South Africa as well as Africa. Both the countries are less developed and population of these countries are less. Only southeastern Brazil, this region, have large scale industries. There is also little traffic on this route between Rio de Janeiro, this is the important sea route here, and Cape Town in Africa. Right? Reason is that both the countries, Brazil and South Africa, produce same type of product and resources. That's why the trade is less here. The trade across the vast North Pacific Ocean move by several routes which converge at the Honolulu here, right? The direct route on this great circle link Vancouver and Yokohama and reduce the traveling distance by half. Yokohama is here in Japan. Another important route is North Pacific Sea Route. This is North Pacific Sea Route which connect the East Asian countries with West American countries, western coast of America. This sea route links the port on the west coast of North America like Los Angeles, San Francisco, Portland, Vancouver, and the seaports of Asia like Tokyo, Seoul, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Manila, Singapore, Jakarta, etc., as well as the countries of Australia. And the important seaports are here: Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, and Auckland here. This route also used by reaching Hong Kong, Philippines, and Indonesia. This is Hong Kong, Philippines, and Indonesia here. The distance covered between Panama and Sydney is 12,000 km. Honolulu here is one of the important port on this route, right? South Pacific Sea Route. The South Pacific Sea Route connect the West Europe and North America with Australia and New Zealand. Same. Almost the country which are connected by South Pacific Sea Route are same as the North Pacific Sea Route. Right? Now, they are important shipping canal which have been used for the sea route purpose. One is Suez Canal and Panama Canal. Panama Canal is here, which is located at the Isthmus of Panama, right? And another canal is Suez Canal, which connect the Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea and help to connect the Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. This we will discuss in next topics, next videos. Thank you.